This is our 28th year in business. We've sold 15,800 balconies over the last 5 years. We're due to be producing 4,900 approximately this year across 4 factories, so this is one of 4 of our manufacturing facilities. We're 100% focused on balconies, so this is our one product, if you like, and we've just chosen one thing we can be best in the world at and put all our efforts into doing that very well.
It was really interesting seeing how all the different processes are operated, from folding metal to powder coating and cutting out patterns. It's just really interesting to see it come to life.
We saw how the companies came together in a very sustainable way. We discovered there's no waste at all coming out of this factory, and which is very good to the environment as well.
It's so nice coming around. I'm a student of LSEC and I never believed construction could go to this extent. I learned a lot by going around the factory and getting to know how some of these components are done before getting it to the site.
Very good and interesting visit around the factory, looking at the process of producing panels, bending them, forming them and assembling them into finished balconies.
It was really interesting to see what you would do on the drawing board really come to reality, and you realise the kind of nuances that may inform your thinking in the future of how you might design.